Hey guys, this is Bess and welcome back to another Artist Talk. So yeah, today we're gonna have a little bit of Black History Month. Black History, that's it. Forget the month. Every month is Black History Month. So let's do this. The reason why I'm doing this is because I don't know what's going on with my sister's and brother's school. It seems like they like to cancel things, open it up. Cancel things, open it up. They don't know how to make up their mind. Like, come on, get it together, school. But yeah, they are doing Black History Month in the month of March, which is I respect it because I feel like involving the kids in their culture and keep it going every month should happen. It should happen. So yeah, I'm so muffled, and the reason why I'm muffled is because it's hard to have kids doing Black History Month stuff and they get crazy. I know my brothers and sisters, not my brothers and sisters, but my brothers, both of them, they rap battle the same song that they're supposed to do together. And no, you saying it wrong, it's this way. Oh, no. And mind you, they don't have a sheet in their hands, so I don't understand how they know this song. But I digress. My sister, on the other hand, she's a lot more easier, and she's doing a board. So she's doing a board, and it's an awesome board because she's putting it together. She's doing a timeline, his achievements and all that good stuff. So the person that she's doing is Thurgood Marshall. Awesome man. He's the first African-American lawyer. I think it's beautiful to know who was doing he was part of the justice system, and then on top of that, he was the first guy who created public schools. Like, he helped create public schools for his people, and I feel like that was beautiful and amazing. And I feel like public schools need to get it together. Like, none of this fighting and acting crazy, because our peoples did not fight for y'all bull. That's all I'm saying. But I digress. You know what I'm saying? I digress. So yeah, guys, I want to give you a quick little history on it. I heard that the movie was good. My sister watched it. That's why she's doing him, doing his board and stuff like that. The person who played him was Black Panther himself. So it's kind of funny when we was doing the board because she wanted to put Black Panther. I'm like, girl, no, don't work that way. You got to use the guy who actually, was, the real Thurgood Marshall. You know what I'm saying? You can't do that, even though they're kind of fighting for the same reason, you know what I'm saying? So why not? But we're not gonna do that. We're not gonna give her F. So yeah, guys, I just want to give you guys my little speed art, and it's kind of weird because I drew this in a matter of an hour, and usually things like this take me longer than that, and I'm like, how? Because digitally, I feel like I'm quicker, but it seems like traditionally I'm more quicker. So yeah, take a look at my little time lapse and a little bit of history about this man. Alright guys, so I'm basically doing a speed art of Thurgood Marshall, as I said before. Thurgood Marshall was an African American lawyer. He was serving the Associate Justice of the Supreme Court of the United States from October 1967 until October 1991, when the year I was born, y'all. He was the court's 96th justice and its first African American justice. And it says justice in Wikipedia, so I guess they said that wrong. He is known for studying at Harvard University, which is a very hard university to go to, and he also counseled to the NAACP. He utilized his his justice system to have equality for African Americans, and in 1954 he won the Brown versus Board of Education, in which the Supreme Court ended racial segregation in public schools. And I think that was awesome, because we need public schools. Not everybody can go to private school, and I need public schools to get it together, first of all. Like, our people fought for this, and it seems like it's been downhill ever since. We're not getting great education. I don't know why it's this way, but it is. And it's like when it's like when someone fights for your rights, you downplay it with whackness. Like, if we're fighting hard, you should give us the hard work, polish that bad boy up, I don't understand. But that's basically how it is in America. We got crap schools, and we have to deal with the way stuff is. Like, nowadays, teachers don't even care about their students in the way that they should. It's a shame, and that's because of the upbringing of our children. Like, is basically young people having kids, so they don't know how to raise nor take care of their kid, and it makes matters worse for the teachers. And I totally understand. I totally understand why they go through what they go through. But underneath the same boat, this has to happen with our federal government, because they don't even pay teachers right. Like, first of all, they babysit. They try to teach what we don't teach to our kids. They have to protect them. They have to nurse them to health if they're sick and it's just a minor sickness. They have to do so much, and then they get underpaid, you know what I'm saying? And sorry for that bus that passed by. But yeah, and it's a shame, it's a shame how much hard work people put into what they do for, their people, and how much nonsense we get back, or we do, for how much hard work these people did for us. You know what I'm saying? It's just a shame, but I digress. I know I was gonna say more about him and give just a quick little understanding of where he came from and his background. But that's basically what I got so far from him. He's really cool, and he has his own inside the Supreme Court, he has his own statue, and that's really cool. I didn't know he had that. And he also has like one with only his head inside there too. So we did take a look at all that good stuff. He did get married twice. He had one wife, and then I guess he divorced her, and then had another one. And he had like most of his kids by her, and she lived to tell his tale, which is pretty cool. And she's still living to this day. Me and my sister was looking at her and was like, dang, she old, but she's doing her thing. What I decided to do with this piece was do watercolor, and I use this marker. I don't know why I bought this marker from the 99-cent store. I will never do this ever again. Don't go cheap, guys. If you don't want things to smudge, don't go cheap. But I think I made it work, even though it's smudged. So sorry for the stupid dog that's behind me, but he continuously barks every day. But yeah, I used watercolor this time, and I decided to just make him his color and blend that in, give him his markings, give him his wrinkles that he had in the picture that I used. And you can see my sister's hand moving around using doing her board. Her board was very big, and it had a lot of stuff going on with it. I used the help of Justin for this piece, because he was like, Vess, he ain't dark enough. So I took him from Chico Suave to a beautiful dark skinned man, and I am proud of that. I'm proud of how it came out. I did use my brushes, and I dipped them in water and brushed over the tips of the what do you call those, watercolor pencils? Yeah, the watercolor pencils. And it helped with having control of my how much darkness I want to the piece. Again, I do this type of stuff for my sisters and brothers, because I do get involved with their schoolwork, even though it kind of irritates me. But I think it's important that with things like this, like boards and stuff like that, we put the time and effort into it. I know we went to the 99-cent store and we bought her board and her letters and all that good stuff. And I also printed out her type stuff, because I didn't want her to have written stuff. So yeah, that's what I worked on with her for a while, and we're still working on it. She doesn't have to give it in until the 20th. So yeah, that's basically what she needs to do. And I felt like she needs a good grade, so I do the little bit that I can. And on top of that, with drawing, it shows the teachers that I'm involved. So that's why I like to keep that going, keep that drawing and having them see me do something for them, so that they know that she's not doing it without, parental help, because when I was going to school, I didn't have no parental help. Like, my mom was useless. You ask her something, she's like, well, you go to school for this, you should know it. Girlfriend, if you don't help me, you know what I'm saying? Like, what's going on with parents these days? Get it together, y'all. Like, first it's the schools, then it's the parents. Like, y'all need to get it together. Your children need you. And it's a shame. Like, it's a shame. You don't know what 2 plus 2 is. Like, 2 plus 2 equals 3. Like, get out of here. No, bye. Go back to school yourself. But I'm not going to sit here and rag on a lot of parents, because not a lot of parents is that way. Some of them might know nothing, but they will help their child. And there's other parents that they don't know nothing, they don't help. So, whatever. But yeah, never will use these markers ever again. Again, 99-cent microns, and they've smudged. So I had to like really use the smudge and control it. And that's the first time that ever happened to me. So actually learning how to control it at the same time was a challenge, but it worked out really good. Again, guys, this took an hour, so I'm kind of astonished on how long it took me. So yeah, I used all the colors. I made sure that it looked really good, and I did sign it so that they know that I was part of the help. So yeah, after I gave him his like lip color, because he does have pinkish lips, this is how it came out looking. I think it came out looking rather well. I did enjoy doing this piece for my sister, and I'm thinking about doing some other stuff for her. So yeah, you will be seeing some more of my stuff. So yeah, guys, the reason why you see my face again is because we're going ahead and we're going to push this Kickstarter. Link is down below. The live link is down, not the live link like as if it's live. The pre-live link is down below, which is showing you a preview of what we have going there. So yes, it needs to be refined a little bit more and correct Grammarly. Englishly. And there's a lot of stuff that needs to be organized and fixed, but I have it organized enough so that it can be shown and displayed in a way so that you guys can understand it and give me a little bit more feedback. Yes, we know that there's going to be some grammar errors, but I just want to know your thoughts, your feelings about it. So in that pre-live link, you can be able to do comments. As soon as you look at it, it's right up on the top and it says comment. You could comment in that little box. Let me know your thoughts, like what's going on, and how you feel about it. That would be greatly appreciated, because you guys did it live stream and I think I forgot some of it. So if you want to go ahead and reiterate what you said last stream, go ahead and do so. I'm pretty much cool with that. I'm not a person that gets offended as quickly as everybody else does. So yeah, that's happening there. So we're keep on pushing it. Please share the link with family and friends. Tell them about the book. We do have the books up in Webtoons Into Past is issue 1 and 2. So be sure to tell them about that. Issue 5 and 6 is in color. So that's another bonus you can add to that. And yeah, guys, share it. Tell a friend and, show some love, guys. Bless your girl. So yeah, that's what is there. That's there for, so you can share it and comment and all that. And another thing I want to let you guys know is that we're gonna have a launch party the April 8th, because we're not doing it the 1st. The 1st is April Fool's. The 1st is Easter. Like, what is going on? I don't know what's happening this year. Maybe the apocalypse, because they trying to no, we're not doing that. So we will be launching the 8th while we're praising the Lord on the 1st. So yeah, that's what we're gonna be doing. And on top of that, I want to do like little bit extras for people who do they do pledge. Like the people who pledge, they can come to the live stream, and if they're like, yo Vess, I pledge and I see you, you can ask for a request, your girl will hook you up and I'll send it. I'll print it and send it. You know what I'm saying? I don't know, we shall see. That's like early bird stuff. You know what I'm saying? I should do like 20 slots for that. So yeah, that's what we're gonna be doing. So yeah, guys, I want to have fun on this stream. It's gonna be an all day stream, not an all day stream, but like, you know, when I feel tired, I guess, from a certain, not a certain time, because I'm gonna wake up, eat, go ahead, and then have some fun. So that's what we're gonna do. And then when I get tired, I get off. So you guys are gonna enjoy me, right? We're gonna enjoy each other. So we're gonna be doing that. And yeah, get ready for it. I'm ready. I'm stoked. I want people to share. I want people to do everything we gotta do. We're gonna make this a nice big party. I want it to be a nice big party like we did for the 100th subscriber. And again, guys, I know you have been seeing this guy around, and he is for the raffle. So if you get the whole word, I'm gonna go ahead and do a free whoever, you know, once they get the word, we do a raffle for that, and go ahead and, you know, give the winner free art. So that's what we're gonna do. And for the, you know, I don't know for the, I don't know what next tier we're gonna be. What, 2,000? For the 2,000 subscriber, we do something else, something wicked cool. So yeah, any thoughts for that, you leave it down below in the comments. So yeah, guys, that's all that I have to say for today. I will be seeing you guys Friday on our stream, and my videos go out Sunday. So yeah, guys, if you like that little bit of information, plus information about our first African American lawyer, go ahead and hit that like. Hit that like, yo. And for those who are new, they're like, Bess, I like the way you do things, girl. Go ahead and hit that subscribe, man. Become a pulse, become my energy ball. We continuously do art content like this and more. So yes, be here for that. And then remember, guys, I stream every Fridays at 7 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. If everybody shows up, we have some fun. Party over here, ain't nothing over there. Nah, yeah, come on. The more the merrier, guys. And I love the fact that you guys do show up and have fun with us. So yes, continue that. Continue the love. Continue the blessings. Let's go. Again, thank you for liking, sharing, telling a friend, and helping a friend have an amazing rest of the day. Bye-bye.